Question number 10, the points 4, 6 divide the line segment A, B and 5, 7 in the ratio 2:1. Find the value of A and B. According to the question, let a line segment AB whose end point are A, B and 5, 7. Also let a point C whose coordinate is 4, 6 divides AB in ratio 2:1. 2:1. Find the value of A and B. So here given that x1 equal to A and y1 equal to B, x2 equal to 5 and y2 equal to 7, x equal to 4 and y equal to 6. Coordinate of internal division C. So we know that the x coordinate of internally divided division point x, we know that x equal to, here m equal to 2 and n equal to 1. So x equal to m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. Given that the x coordinate of point of internal division is 4, so 4 equal to m equal to 2 into x2 equal to 5 plus n equal to 1, x1 equal to A upon m plus n, 2 plus 1, 3 4 are 12 equal to 10 plus A, therefore A equal to 2. We know that the y coordinate of internal division point my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So therefore y equal to m equal to 3, m equal to 2, y2 equal to 7, n equal to 1, y1 equal to b upon m plus n, 2 plus 1 3. Given that y equal to 6, so 6 3 is 18 equal to 14 plus b, so therefore b equal to 4. The value of A is 2 and B is 4. Answer, write down. Question number 11. The coordinates of one end of the diameter of a circle are 3, 5 and the coordinate of its center is 6, 6. Find the coordinate of other end of the diameter. Take a circle whose diameter is AB and its center is C. According to the question, given that the one end, the coordinate of one end of diameter is 3, 5 and the coordinate of center is 6, 6. Find the coordinate of other end. Let the coordinate of other end is x, y. Now find the coordinate of B. We know that the center of circle divides the diameter in equal part called radius, equal part. So therefore C is the midpoint. C is the midpoint of AB. C is the midpoint of AB. So we know that coordinate of midpoint is the x coordinate of midpoint is x1 plus y1 upon 2. The x coordinate of midpoint is 6 and the formula is x1 plus y1. So x1 is 3, x2 is x upon 2, x1 plus x2 upon 2. So 12 equal to 3 plus x, therefore x equal to 9. The x coordinate is 9, y coordinate is also 6. We know that y1 plus y2 upon 2, 5 plus y upon 2, 12 equal to 5 plus y, therefore y equal to 7. Hence the coordinate of B is 9, 7. Answer, write down. Question number 12. The line joining the point 3, -2 and -3, -4 is trisected equally. फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द पॉइंट ऑफ ट्राइसेक्शन। मीन्स इस लाइन को दो पॉइंट इक्वली 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, तो आपको क्या निकालना है कि फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट ऑफ ट्राइसेक्शन। तो सपोज दैट लेट C and D 2 points divides equally trisected. Let A be trisected by the point C and D. Now find the coordinate of C and D. So here coordinate of A is 3, -2 and coordinate of B is -3, -4. Let the coordinate of C is alpha beta and coordinate of D is mn. तो हेयर 1 1 1 तीनों पार्ट हैं। तो अगर हम थोड़ी देर के लिए डी को भूल जाए तो इधर का पोर्शन होगा 1 और इधर का पोर्शन होगा 2। वी सी दैट द पॉइंट सी डिवाइड्स ए बी इंटरनली 1:2। पॉइंट सी divides AB internally 1:2। therefore the coordinate of C is, we know that mx2, तो m equal to 1, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n and my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Here this is x1, this is y1, this is m, this is n, this is x2 और this is y2. Therefore m equal to 1 into x2 equal to -3 plus n, mx2 plus n equal to 2 into x1 3 upon m plus n 1 plus 2, my2 1 into y2 plus n into y1 upon m plus n 1 plus 2 is equal to -3 plus 6 upon 3 -4 upon 3. Therefore 6 minus 3 upon 3 1 -8 upon 3. Therefore coordinate of C is 1, -8 upon 3. Write down. अब अगर हम पॉइंट C को ढक लें तो D डिवाइड्स AB 2:1। D डिवाइड्स AB 2:1 इंटरनली। पॉइंट D divides AB 2:1। तो m equal to 2 and n equal to 1। तो therefore coordinate of D, डायरेक्ट फार्मूला mx2 m into x2 plus n into x1 upon m plus n, my2 तो m equal to 2, y2 equal to -4 plus n into y1 -2 upon m plus n 2 plus 1। तो therefore -6 plus 3 upon 3 -8 -2 upon 3। तो therefore 6 plus 3 -1 -10 upon 3। The coordinate of D is -1 -10 upon 3. Write down.